I bring you a 2024 XC90 in the new Vapor Gray. In the 2024 model, Volvo has dropped the Thunder Gray. They have replaced it with this beautiful Vapor Gray, and today for this video it comes in a blonde interior. Let's check it out. Please check out my other videos for full detailed reviews of the XC90. This interior is the blonde interior, super elegant, two-tone on the steering wheel. Let's take a look in the back seat where your passengers will be seated. They will enjoy tons of leg room, tons of hip room, shoulder room, and headroom. The XC90 does have a third row seat, which you can check out fully in my other videos. This happens to be a core model. If you don't know the Volvo line, the core model is our introductory level. With that being said, Volvo does not cut corners, so you will not sacrifice any of the safety features that you have in the Plus model or in the Ultimate model. Volvo is super dedicated on safety, so no matter what trim level you get from the core to the Ultimate, you'll still have all the same safety features, standard. This particular unit does have the climate package. It also has the upgraded wheels. Let's take a look at the passenger side where your passenger will be seated. Super comfortable, super plush interior. Thanks for watching my video. Don't forget to subscribe for more videos just like this one. Hit the bell notification so you get notified of such videos. And please comment below if you're interested in certain comment. Thanks again.